Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this LED strobe light for DJI drones by this company right here. So I got this to be able to put on a couple of my drones if needed. But you could probably, you don't have to have a DJI drone. You could probably use it on others if it's, if the drone can handle it. So here is the charging cord that it comes with. So it does take a USB-C port in here, and I'll show it to you, and then you'll need your plug to plug this USB into. Here's a little rubber bands if you need it to attach it to the drone, and then it does come with these Velcro squares right here. Was one of the main reasons I got this too. So here's the bottom of it. I'll get out of here. So there's the Velcro on the bottom. There's your charging port right there. You can see just plugs in there, and then here's your power button right here that changes to different strobe light modes. So you just hold it down, you can see the flashing right there. Push it again for another mode. There's your green light mode. It's red. So that is a pretty powerful and bright light. And then to turn it off, you just hold the button down and then it's off. And this is super lightweight, very small, as you can see, holding it there on my finger. So that's it. Just wanted to show you this real quick that I got to be able to have on my drones.